Hi everyone. I honestly have no idea if this is gonna flip like the screen once I post it, so hopefully it doesn't. For my creative project, I decided to do a drawing of butterflies because I'm very artsy and I like to draw. Unfortunately, I thought I brought more of my art supplies home from school and I did not, so I was stuck with Crayola markers that I found at the bottom of my desk. But anyway, into the project. I decided to draw a picture of butterflies, as you all can see. I titled it Diversity. Again, possibility that this is going to end up flipped. Hopefully it doesn't. I decided to draw butterflies for this project because I personally think butterflies are beautiful creatures and no two are the same. Just like how we are as humans. I don't know. I think when people hear the word diversity, they automatically find it in a negative way or find it to be a negative word. I personally think diversity is a beautiful thing. If everyone were the same, the world would be extremely boring and lame, in my personal opinion. Diversity can add uniqueness and character in all of us and make us all a little bit different, as much as we all try to kind of fit in like these societal norms, like almost like a cookie cutter, if that makes any sense. But from what I've learned from this class, that's my outlook on diversity. That's how I came into this class thinking, and it hasn't changed over the past few weeks, which I'm happy about. I think what I've learned most from this class is the building of the privilege that I have. I had a good understanding of my privilege, especially with everything that happened last summer, and still it's continuing with the Black Lives Matter movement. I personally attended a protest in Philadelphia last summer. It was a peaceful protest. And just I've been educating myself ever since to learn more about my privilege and how I can use my privilege to get a better understanding on how to help others in minority groups or oppressed groups. So yeah, I think this class has just helped me learn more about myself in ways that I didn't realize I needed to learn more of. I think that I've gained a lot of new perspectives on the world and have a better insight on a lot of those oppressed groups that maybe I wouldn't have thought of as much, or like, I can't think of the right word, but just doing things differently than I would have prior to taking this class. So yeah, that's my creative project. I hope you guys like my butterfly drawing. Hopefully it's not flipped when I post it. And yeah.